Hey guys, this is my Lego butterfly knife. Woohoo! I made a butterfly knife! Yeah, pretty big achievement for me. So, it actually functions and everything, like a body shong. We don't need you. Get away. So, the butterfly knife is pretty simple. The blade's in here. And the sides are on here. And then it connects right there. I'm filming one-handed, so. I've tried to do tricks. The only time I've ever tried this, I can't really make a trick. I go like this. Does that go on? I know I'm probably going to get turned into a meme one day. Because you know me! Well, I'd just be known as the cringy YouTuber. At least I know how to jump cut. Watch me jump cut. Oh, I jump cut! Awesome, right? I can make a strobe. Self-intended strobe. Just like. What's that? What's that? It's a butterfly knife! Ah! Okay, please like the video, favorite, subscribe. And who subscribed to my channel? Whoever subscribed, thank you. And if you turned on notifications, thank you even more. Bye.